Beeswax is one of my favorite materials to interact with on a sensory level and on a creative level. Beeswax candlesticks are the highest quality candlestick you can find. Beeswax burns brighter and warmer by emitting the full range of UV light. It burns smokeless with the correct wicking, and some say it even purifies the air. Today we will be working with this magical material in sheet form. These sheets are called Beeswax foundation because honey farmers create these sheets to be used as a base for beehive frames. The bees love to draw new comb on natural beeswax, so the recycled wax formed into these sheets gives the hive a head start. This sheet form also gives our candles a head start by requiring no melting and no hot wax, just a wide range of possibilities and lots of room to play. In this workshop, I'm going to show you my favorite ways to cut up and roll these sheets into candles that are ready to gift or light immediately. I really can't wait to make this craft with you. See you there!